Okay, so hopefully you've had some time to experiment with the random number generator. The assignment added to this was to create something of your own using random numbers, and in addition to creating a quick app to generate a random password. All right, what we're going to do next is go through the next app we're going to work on related to using Google Maps. So I'm going to walk through a few videos with you on this, and we'll just get started with the project on this one here. So I'm going to go to File, New Project, and you're just going to name this one Maps. I'm going to go ahead and leave everything the same as I had before. Same API as we were working with before, API 14. And we're going to go with the basic activity layout. And main activity will stay the same. The title here will be My Maps. All right, and we're going to go ahead and finish this off. All right, so for this first section, I'm just going to basically set up the ability for your app to talk to the Google Maps service. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and close the main content main XML and the Java class here. I'm going to go into the folder and the manifest folder, and we're going to open up the Android manifest.xml. All right, so there's a couple of things that we're going to add right under the manifest tag related to user preferences. All right, and instead of my typing it out, I've already typed it on previous apps, so I'm just going to go ahead and paste it in here, and I'll make sure that you can see the entire list of preferences you need to add here. So there are 4 permissions that you need for the user to access what we're going to work with the Google services. So make sure that you check each one of these. You can pause the video and check to make sure you've spelled everything correctly. As you're typing, you should be able to access these different classes as they go through. They should populate themselves. So check each of the lines, make sure that not only the spelling is correct, but the case and the exact written of it, especially this last one where you're locating com.google android.providers.gsf permission.read_gs services. This is the most important one here. All right, so make sure that you have those, and you're going to go ahead and save this file. And I already have my device connected, so I'm going to go ahead and test it out, and you should do the same at this point. So save everything. We've only made changes here, and we're just going to test to make sure we don't have any errors. Okay, so that's a short video, but you should be able to test this out, and you'll be ready. What you'll see is the title of your app, and on the top it should say Hello World. All right, so we're going to stop there and do the next video in just a minute.